wanted to create an environment where patients would be comfortable, where they know that it's a place that they can come and everyone is going to be focusing on them.
The team, from the moment that you cross the door, they just make you feel very welcome. They're very polite. They make you feel very comfortable.
I wanted the patients to feel the passion that I have for my dentistry. I can use the knowledge and the skills that I have to provide the service that I've always wanted to provide the patients.
Dr. Cho is very clear and thorough about what she explains, how she explains what the process is going to entail. I believe Dr. Cho's #1 goal in dealing with every patient is to make sure that they have a healthy mouth. She starts with overall health first.
My mission is to provide the best quality of dentistry that a patient can get through the education that myself and the team go through, and then to not cut corners and always use the best quality, whether it be laboratory or materials, so that the patient benefits in the end with the best dentistry they can get.
The professionalism, state-of-the-art equipment, somebody who just knows what they're doing, professional. That's what I wanted. Money was not as important as having the right person do it and not mess it up. If you want the results, this is where you go for the results. Everybody is right up to date. They can handle the job, they know what they're doing, and they're pleasant. It's just a joy to come in here.
From the first minute I ever walked into this office, I noticed right away that there was an effort by everyone here to create an atmosphere that was, #1, very welcoming, very hospitable.
I was coming up to my 40th high school reunion, the vanity. What am I going to look like? I smiled that whole evening. That whole evening of the party, I smiled so much. I couldn't stop smiling, knowing that I could smile and that I wasn't embarrassed, that I didn't want to hold back. I really wanted to show off my teeth because I was proud, and to know that in a sense there's a miracle worker out there. She's been blessed with a gift to make people smile, help them smile again. She gave me the smile I've always wanted.
Whether it's through smile designs or implants to make patients chew better, we have changed so many people's lives that it gives me great happiness that I am in a field where I have been able to do that, and hope to do that with the best care possible in the future.